So you have already you have been given a profile, right? Profile is already given, the profile of electric field is already given, and electrostatic field you know is curl of E is equal to 0. So what will happen? I j k del by del x del by del y del by del z and ax cz 6by, right? This is equal to I cap 6b minus c minus j cap 0 minus 0 plus k cap 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. So 6b is equal to c. So which option is having 6b is equal to c? Because a is arbitrary. So if you take b is equal to 1, c should become 6. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. Very simple question on electrostatic, but they give such questions, okay?